Hey everybody, Double P here and welcome back. So today's trading session is Monday, January 31st, 2022, and today we attacked Apple. So you're going to have to forgive me because my kids are in the background here for this live trading session. So this is going to be a short trading session. As you can hear, lots of noise downstairs. Give me a quick second here. All right, so Apple was the trade of the day, so let's get into it really quickly. You're going to see my margin account right there, and you'll see the date. You see, why does it say partially delayed data? I'll go over that. Stock is in real time, so New York Stock Exchange, Amex, NASDAQ, all real time feeds. Equity options is real time. Futures and futures options, I don't trade it, so I don't need it on right now. The feeds, Forex, and others, all real time. So real time, live, full blown account. So Apple is on a little bit of a tear, and we drew. The first thing we do is we look at Apple, and what it did today is, let me just come over here and scroll down over here for you. So I mapped out my support and my resistance today. We drew the box, so it's not showing up here. But anyways, what we need to do is we need to look at Apple, right? We look at the range, how it moved, and we looked at how it ripped, and it's just been a steady hugging the 20. Look at the 200. 200 is sloping. It's just been a fantastic move. So let me come over here because there's tons of noise in the background, and I apologize for that. First of all, let me send out the text for you guys right here so that you guys see it. So Platinum Traders Group, bought to open 4 February 2022, Apple 175 strike call. Our limit order, I'm not going to tell you what the limit order is. You can go look at the option chain and figure that out. Told my guys to get a certain amount of contracts. And spoiler alert, plus 30% profit, minus 12% stop loss. Spoiler alert, you see that right down there what I made. And what happened with me is I couldn't get filled. I couldn't get filled on this order for the longest time, so, I ended up getting filled, but I made more than $1,000 profit. We can get into that in a second. So you see the timeline here, 9:40, I sent the text out to my guys, and I actually sent it out a little bit earlier than that, and 9:58 was the first out. So let's go over to 9:40 so that you see here at 9:40. So at 9:40, this was our in on this nice big green candle, hugging the 20, very tight. So let's look at the last three candles previous to this entry candle. We go 1, 2, 3. We see that nice little box right there. But what do we see right here? We see 3 nice big ratcheting big candles, solid. And then we have this dip right here, which is not actually a dip. What this basically is right on the 20, and it's going to rip. So that's what it did. So as you can see here, from 112, let's see, so 940. Let's come over here at 940. So you see the option right there. So obviously you can see what the entry is, right? And then you see the rip to where it is right now, right? So it was a really good trade for Apple. And let me come over here and show you, because everyone's like, oh, well, where's your order fills? Like, is this stuff real? I mean, how much more real can I really make it for you? Like, I don't get it. You know what I mean? I'm not looking at you as I'm talking to you. I'm looking at my screens up here. So you see the first order fill. I bought 100 shares. I got filled in super late. You see the fill was 143. You see when I got in, 5 minutes after the trade, after I sent out the trade alert, and I sold at 153, all right? And then I got back in again at 10:02 at 174, sold at 181, all right? So that was the order fill right there. And so I bought 200 contracts overall today, right? So you see what I made right over here, okay? Bring that out for you. $1,700 got filled on Apple. So don't copy or steal my stuff. That was the option trade. All right, very good, very good trade. And as you see right now, Apple is now, because you see the 20 is starting to dip, and you see the rate of change is dropping dramatically. So now Apple is going to be taking a little bit of a breather, because Apple ran and ripped, right, from 9:30 up until let's see. So that was a 40. Let's see, 9:30 to 10 is 30 minutes. That was a 42-minute rip. Oh, sorry, 9:30 to 10:11. That was like a 32-minute rip to the upside for Apple, right? So you see that right there. That was a 32-minute rip. Algorithms go in a 30 to 45-minute chunk. Either they go up or they go down, but they go on a 45-minute. They go on a 45-minute march, and it's a pretty steady march. You know when it's an algorithm that's doing all the trading versus investor buying, because when the algorithm, it's steady. It's just like a staircase, up, levels off, breathes, consolidates, and pushes up, right? So algorithm, push up, rest, push up, rest, push up, rest, a little bit of a dip to recuperate, push up again, breathe, consolidation, rip, and then there it goes, right? So that's the trade for today. That's Apple. If you like what you see, somewhere in the video there's going to be a link to my site. Head on over to the site. Become a member of the Platinum Traders Beta Testers group. Let's show you how to be super profitable. Let's help you navigate the markets and get into the markets and be a really good intraday momentum option scalper. Smash that like button, smash that like button, smash that like button. My name is Double P, and I'll see you in the profit zone. Take care, everybody. I'll see you probably in tomorrow's trade if I do some trading tomorrow.